Welcome to this video on Ping and Traceroute, two essential network diagnostic tools. In this series on computer world terminologies and concepts, we'll explore how these tools help troubleshoot connectivity issues and understand how data travels across networks. Whether you're an IT professional or just curious about networking, these tools are fundamental to maintaining and diagnosing network problems. Ping is a network utility that sends small data packets to a host computer and measures the round-trip time it takes to receive a response. Think of it like sending a message and waiting for a reply. Ping serves three main purposes. It tests whether a network connection to a host is working, it measures the latency or response time between your computer and the destination, and it detects packet loss, which tells you if data is being dropped along the way. Ping operates in four simple steps. First, your computer sends ICMP echo request packets to the target host. ICMP is Internet Control Message Protocol, a protocol used for diagnostics and error reporting. Second, the target host receives and processes these request packets. Third, the target responds by sending back ICMP echo reply packets to your computer. Finally, your computer calculates the round-trip time by measuring how long the entire process took and displays the results, including response time and packet loss statistics. Using Ping is straightforward. The basic command syntax is simply the word ping followed by a hostname or IP address. For example, you can type ping google.com to test connectivity to Google, or ping 8.8.8.8 to test connectivity to Google's public DNS server. When you execute either of these commands, Ping sends ICMP packets to the specified host and displays response statistics showing how fast the connection is and whether any packets were lost. Traceroute is a network diagnostic tool that maps the complete path your data takes from your computer to a destination host. Unlike Ping, which only tests the final destination, Traceroute identifies every intermediate router or hop that your packets pass through. This is incredibly useful because it shows you latency measurements at each hop, helping you identify exactly where network issues occur. If a connection is slow or unstable, Traceroute pinpoints which router along the path is causing the problem. Traceroute uses an ingenious method involving TTL or time to live values. TTL is a field in network packets that decrements by 1 each time it passes through a router. In Step 1, Traceroute sends packets with TTL starting at 1. In Step 2, the first router decrements the TTL to 0 and sends back an ICMP time exceeded message, revealing its identity. In Step 3, Traceroute increments the TTL and repeats the process, identifying each successive hop. Finally, it continues this process until the destination is reached or the maximum number of hops is exceeded. The basic Traceroute command syntax is the word traceroute followed by a hostname or IP address. For example, you can type traceroute google.com or traceroute 8.8.8.8. Here's an important note. On Windows operating systems, the command is called Traceroute instead of Traceroute. On Linux and Mac operating systems, it's simply Traceroute. Both commands accomplish the same goal of mapping your network path and displaying latency information for each hop. Let's compare these two tools to understand when to use each one. Ping is designed for testing basic connectivity, while Traceroute is designed for mapping the network path. Ping shows only the destination host, but Traceroute shows all intermediate routers. In terms of data, Ping provides latency and packet loss information for the destination only, whereas Traceroute provides latency information for each individual hop. Ping is best for a quick connectivity check, while Traceroute is best for troubleshooting routing issues and identifying where problems occur along the network path.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.